Hi, this is ASP.NET Core MVC Learn and Practice course. Today in this video, I will guide you how to create a view in MVC. So now, let's get started with the part 1. Let me open the news controller. This is the shortcode we have working in the previous lesson. So now, let me try to create other one here. Public action result. I will name it the index. In the index, I will return view. And so now, let me try to open this one in the browser. Click on debug on the menu and then select start without debugging. The browser will be appear. This is the default home page. And so now, this is the news controller. And then we have the action index. Let me access into the news controller / news, and then we have the index action. Press the enter on the keyboard. After that, you will get this error message. Unhandled exception occur while processing the request. Yeah, it says that the index was not found, and the shortcode is missing for the index.cs HTML and also the index.cs HTML in share folder. And because when we use the web application, the view content most of the time will be using the HTML to display the content for on the front-end side. And in the MVC, it will be using the razor and then to support the view to display in a nice way. And when you got this message, that means the index.cs HTML is missing. Let me come back to the Visual Studio and how to resolve this issue. And you open the Solution Explorer. You take a look into the View folder. Click on the arrow button here to expand the detail inside the view. And you see here, we don't have any folder. We contain the views for news controller. So now, let me try to create a folder for this controller in the view folder. And here in the controller, you select the index action. And then you right click on this one. In the context menu, you click on the Add View option in the first one here. Click on this, and then it will display the Add New item. There you are able to add the news view for this controller. We have two options, Razor View empty. When you select this option, you have to view the view from the scratch. Otherwise, you can click on the Razor View option is the second option. When you select the Razor View's second option, it will create a view with or without a strongly tied model. Okay, let's go ahead to select the Razor View in the second option, and then click on Add button. It will display a dialog where you are going to do some the configuration for the Razor View before creating. The first one, the view name, will be the index. This name should be the same with the action here in the controller. And for the templates, you can select some template here to create the view file based on the templates. And in this video, because I want to create this view from the scratch, so I will select the empty without the model option. You go to the next option here, we have create a pastoral view, or we can create use the layout page. If we view any the master templates or the master layout for our project, so we can select this option, and then you have to select the master templates for the website. In this video, because I just want to create a blank template, so I will uncheck this one. And then go ahead to click on Add button. It will install some of the necessary file from the NuGet on the internet. So it will take some time to get the file. After the creation is done, we have index.cshtml. This extension will be indicate that this index belongs to the razor file. Okay, and then you take a look into the real folder. We have a news folder. It has been created with the name is news. And open this folder, we have a index.cshtml file. And by default, it will have to create some the layout on the top documents, and this is some the basic format of the HTML. In the body, let me go ahead to create some text. Just add the H1 tag and say hello world, and then come back to the browser. Try to refresh this one. Yeah, and then you see that we have the hello world message has been displayed here on the browser. Let me try to add some more. Come back to the browser and refresh this one, and you can see the hello world in the H1 tag, and also this is the testing only message and thank you in the paragraph. Okay, so now let's have some break and we will continue discuss in the next lesson. Thank you.